friends, welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. Finally friends, the Vivo did launch the two smartphones, Vivo V23 and the Vivo V23 Pro device. So in this video I'm going to compare both phones regarding the specifications, which phone has got what type of specifications and which is a really best option to buy right now. That's what I'm going to demonstrate in this video. So I did get plenty of comments on this particular topic. That's the reason friends I thought of making a video and clarifying your doubts. First thing is that the base variant, which is a Vivo V23, starts around 29,990, and if you use the HDFC Bank discount, you can actually get up to 2,500 rupees discount as well. Instant discount is available, so which makes the price effective close to 27,500 rupees will be the price of the Vivo V23. Next, Vivo V23 Pro will be priced about 38,990, and you do get 3,000 rupees instant discount. The price will come down to 36,000 rupees. So 36,000 rupees and 27,500 rupees, all of the price difference is of close to 8,500 rupees difference is there between the Pro version and the normal variant. So after knowing the price difference of 8,500, should you invest on the Pro version or should you buy the V23? That's what, let's see friends, what are the differences. So first, the biggest difference is about the processor. The processor is of Dimensity 920 processor, and the Pro version has got the Dimensity 1200 chipset. So definitely friends, for that kind of price of 36,000 rupees, it's really expensive for the Dimensity 1200, because we do get a lot of other smartphones below 30k as well with the Dimensity 1200, but still, so that processor is kind of okay, but not great at this kind of price range, which you should definitely understand. Next is about the display. Display wise, both phones they do have the 90Hz refresh rate, nothing much big difference, but we do have the curved display on the Pro version, so which makes the screen size a slightly big 6.56 inches screen size on the Pro version, and both are having exactly same AMOLED and 90Hz of refresh rate, so there is nothing much change. I did expect the Pro version should be 120Hz refresh rate, but that's not the case here. And weight distribution of the Pro version is 171 grams and 179 grams or 181 grams regarding the normal variant and the Pro variant. Finally, we got to know about the battery information as well. Battery is of 4,200 mAh of battery capacity, and which has got the 44 watt fast charging 4,200 mAh, and Pro version has got 4,300. So only 100 mAh increased. That's it. There's nothing much increased apart from this one. And charging speed 44 watts, and 30 minutes, 30 minutes. Exactly same. I mean, 30 minutes, 63% only, not 100% friends. Don't get confused. So charging speed is very slow for that kind of price range of 38,000 rupees or maybe 36,000 rupees. That's something you should definitely understand. Both are having the under display fingerprint scanners, and color changing back panel is also there. And Wi-Fi 6, there is no information about that Wi-Fi 6 support. I wish they could have that kind of support as well. And next thing is about the camera. Camera is the biggest plus point for these both Vivo phones. Yes, especially the front cameras. That is what the Vivo is targeting the users right now, only for the camera. If you are willing to buy and spend this more money, then definitely the Vivo V23 series will be really good in terms of camera only. And you can see the 4K 30 FPS you can record with the front cam. Yes, 4K 30 FPS. And two cameras will be there in the front side, and 3 cameras on the back side. 64 plus 8 plus 2, 108 plus 8 plus 2. This is the combination of back camera lens. You can clearly see friends. And 4K 30 FPS, 4K 30 FPS. And there is no information about 4K 60 FPS will be supported or not. I think it should be kind of supporting. In the Dimensity 1200 also it supports. So maybe with the software updates they might be able to enable it, but we are not sure exactly. And both phones, they did mention that it comes out of the box with the Android 12 and FunTouch 12 update as well. That's it friends, thank you for watching. This is a quick comparison between the specifications of these both phones. And if you ask me which phone should you buy, so even if you buy the both phones, I think there's nothing much difference. The battery is not increased, the refresh rate is not increased. So overall, if you want curved display and if you want slightly better camera, you can go for the Pro version. If you want slightly better processor as well, but if you don't care about the processor and if you want Dimensity processor, you can go for the Vivo V23. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video, and until then stay tuned for more updates, and meanwhile signing off. Until then, bye.